Hi, this is Tyler Lund with Veris Technologies. We're going to take a look at how Field Fusion can help us avoid carryover of herbicide in the next year's crop, damaging and hitting our yields. And the way we do this is by looking at the soil. We're applying these herbicides to the soil, and where soil properties change, so does the ability of that herbicide to break down and degrade and not be there for next year's crop that might be sensitive. And the soil properties that matter in this are CEC, organic matter, and pH. So let's take a look at CEC. This is the heavier soils. The black areas on this map are the heavier soils. And so let's zero in on that. That heavy soil is going to bind tightly to that herbicide and make sure it's around next year when we don't necessarily want it to be. Similarly, organic matter, we want to look at the high levels of organic matter because that's also where the herbicide is going to bind to the organic matter and persist. On pH, it's both high and low pHs that affect the microbial activity and the chemical breakdown of our herbicides. Depending on which herbicide you use, it's high or low that will most affect it. For this example, we'll look at the high pH soils. And if we start to layer in the high pH, our CEC, and organic matter, we can see where those start to overlap. And where there's an overlap, the risk of carryover increases. And so when we fuse them together, we can see, all right, those areas of red are places we need to scout, possibly take soil samples, cut back rates. Whatever we do, however we manage it, we know that these are the areas that need special attention. If you'd like to see an example of a herbicide carryover risk map made on a field you have, or see other examples, please contact us below and we'll be happy to demonstrate it for you.